Good morning, YouTube. This is TR here. Now I'm going to Secunderabad, Secunderabad station actually. Why I'm going there is one of my friend caught with his bike to the cops because of wrong parking. Yeah, he actually went to Secunderabad station meeting someone, but unfortunately he parked his bike at a no parking place, so the cops banged his bike. And the thing is, why I'm going there is he forgot to take his ATM card with him, so they wanted to, of course there will be a challan because for the wrong parking, so he has to pay 1,000 rupees for wrong parking, and unfortunately he forgot his ATM. So now I'm going and I will pay the challan and take my friend and his bike. So this is the one more example for those who does traffic violations. कहाँ से आते हैं आप? Secunderabad is almost 20 kilometers from my house. Oh my God. Due to lots of rains, the condition of the road. Thank God, almost at last rains have been stopped. Almost 10 to 15 days they were rained like continuously. Every day there was rain. अरे यार कहाँ से आते यार, पूरा घुस जा रहा है अंदर. ये देखो किसिंग कर ले रहे ऑटो वाला. इन्हें क्या कर रहा ऑटो वाला? नया खरीद कर क्या ऑटो? कितना हल्लू जा रहे. Oh my God, lot of traffic today. I always tell you, my dear friends, please always follow traffic rules. This is just for our safety only, our safety itself. That's why I always mention in my videos at the starting, few minutes delay doesn't matter, safety matters. So follow traffic rules, wear helmets and seat belts. You know, my friend has he told me that the cops banged me for wrong parking. So I think he parked his bike at a non-parking place to come back quickly, to come back from the work. He actually went to meet one person, I told you, right? So he wanted to meet him and he immediately wanted to come back. That's why he parked. So few minutes delay. He expected that he doesn't want to late. He doesn't want to be late. So that's why he parked in wrong parking. That's why I keep mentioning few minutes delay doesn't matters. I don't know when people starts learning. సూర్యారావు ఫామ్లోకి వచ్చిండు, సురకాలు అంటిస్తున్నాడు. సూర్యారావు అంటే ఓలో అనుకున్నారు, నేను చెప్పేది సూర్యుడి గురించి. ఎండ కూడా ఎట్లా కొడుతుంది, 10-15 రోజులు వర్షం పడేది, ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఎండ కొడుతుంది. I just told in Telugu that 15 days been rain, but now the sun, just look at the sun. He is also on back to form. Oh my God. If I go like this, I'll reach Secunderabad tomorrow. I should be on squid mode. Ambulance, always give side to ambulance. अरे यार, इतना रिस्क लेके क्यों जाने का भाई? I can now. Bullets. Pull. My God, look at the road. Look at the condition of the road. Oh my God. Is this Hyderabad city? Oh my God. Oh my God. It's been a very long time when I last went to Secunderabad station. I know. దీని తల్లి రచ్చ అయింది కదా రోడ్డు. Oh my God, is this road? I'm I think I'm thinking just like I'm off-roading on my Royal Enfield for the first time. Oh my. కడుపులో వేగులని వెళ్తున్నారు నాయన. I caught you on my camera. देखो गौर से देखो इन लोगों इसको. I almost reached Secunderabad, but real headache starts here. This road. Look at this. How busy this road is. By the way, this is Secunderabad station, guys. For those guys who didn't see Secunderabad station, for them it is. So guys, I'll pay the channel and I'll pay the challan and I'll come back. So guys, update. I actually didn't went into the police station. My friend told me that you stay here and I'll go and pay the challan and come back. He just went, just like that went, and just like that he came. So my dear friends, once again I'm telling you, never ever forget to follow traffic rules. Always follow. What's going on here? There's a lot of crowd. अरे राम, गाड़ी के ऊपर आ जा रहे हैं सब लोग. अंकल क्या कर रहे हैं अंदर रोड के बीच में. Royal Enfield, really Royal Enfield gives a royal look. Where is my friend? I can't see him in my rear view mirror. I have to go slow. Where is this stupid fellow? Hey stupid fellow, कहाँ गए रे तू? पीछे या आगे? तू आगे कभी नहीं बढ़ेगा, पीछे ही होगा. रोड पे भी और जिंदगी में भी. Stupid fellow. What happened? My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the traffic, man. I don't know you can see it or not. My God. That is endless. Shit, man. Shit. Can I go home today or... Oh my. Oh my. Shit. Huh? Yeah, my friend is over there. Empty road? Oh my God. Then why there is that much of traffic there? I thought this whole road was blocked. This idiot does not follow traffic rules. No helmet, no gloves, and wrong parking. So guys, I'll finish this video here. So once again I am remembering you, please try to follow traffic rules. Uncle, don't stop here please, you have a kid. As always, ride safe, take care. Hasta la vista. Someone VIP is going. Okay guys, ride safe, bye bye. Look at him, still this idiot is talking in phone. Stupid.